Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is one of the most popular entry-level sport bikes, offering an ideal combination of lightweight handling, exhilarating performance, and rider-friendly features. Perfect for those new to motorcycling, the Ninja 400 allows beginner riders to experience the thrill of a sport bike without being overwhelming. Its modern design, responsive engine, and excellent handling make it a top contender for those entering the world of motorcycling. Engine and performance. At the core of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, producing 49 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque. This engine offers a perfect balance between enough power to keep things exciting and smooth control for riders still gaining experience. The engine delivers impressive acceleration and a lively performance, whether cruising on highways or tackling winding back roads. The 6-speed transmission allows for easy gear shifts, while the light clutch action ensures that beginners can focus on their riding technique. Weighing just 168 kilograms, 370 pounds, the Ninja 400's lightweight build makes it nimble and agile. It offers easy maneuverability, which is ideal for new riders who are still getting used to handling a motorcycle. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or taking sharp corners on a scenic route, the Ninja 400's responsive steering helps boost rider confidence. Comfort and ergonomics. The Ninja 400 features a sporty yet comfortable riding position. While it offers a slightly lean-forward stance typical of sport bikes, it's not aggressive, making it more comfortable for beginners. The seat is designed to provide comfort for both short commutes and longer rides, ensuring that new riders won't feel strained over time. The suspension setup, consisting of a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and a unitrack rear monoshock, absorbs bumps well and provides a smooth ride on various road surfaces. While not fully adjustable, the suspension is well tuned for a balance between comfort and sporty handling, making it ideal for everyday riding. Advanced features. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 comes equipped with several modern features to enhance both safety and convenience. LED lighting. The Ninja 400 boasts bright LED headlights, taillights, and turn signals, increasing visibility and giving the bike a modern, sleek look. ABS brakes. The available anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 enhances safety, especially for beginner riders, by preventing will lock up during emergency braking situations or in slippery conditions. Digital instrument cluster. The clear, easy-to-read LCD display provides essential information, such as speed, fuel level, gear position, and more. It's intuitive, allowing riders to focus on the road ahead. The verdict. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a standout choice for beginners who want to experience the thrill of riding a sport bike. It delivers strong performance, smooth handling, and excellent safety features, making it one of the best motorcycles for new riders. Whether you're looking to commute, cruise, or enjoy spirited rides on twisty roads, the Ninja 400 is an exciting and accessible motorcycle that will help you build confidence and skills as you grow into a more experienced rider.